Alright guys, so we're gonna feed our little feathered friends here today. Alright, so what we have for them is vanilla wafers. So let's give it a try, see who's hungry. Alright guys, we're gonna have some vanilla wafers. Oh, what do we got for you guys, huh? Oh, I hear they're hungry. I hear that they're hungry. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yes. What do we got today, huh? We got some vanilla wafers. Oh. There you go. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Let me see. Yeah. Maybe it's a little... Yeah. Oh. He just bit my finger. Don't go, little fella. Huh? Hi. Oh. You guys have never seen a helmet before, huh? Oh. Oh, he's very hungry today. Very beautiful. Beautiful birds, huh? Okay, let's try it this way. Oh, no, you don't like it? Oh, I don't know, maybe they've just been fed, guys. I think they've just been fed. But, you know, they're gonna get hungry again. There you go. Oh. Oh, you hungry too? Okay, I'm gonna leave them for you. Are you hungry? Yes. Oh, you gonna bite my glove, huh? Oh. Beautiful blue eyes. Here you go, little fella. Here you go, little fella. Oh. I think they're full, number one, guys, because they would gobble this right up. So someone else has come to feed them today. So their bellies are full. That's a good sign. They're not hungry. But I'm going to leave a couple more because they will get hungry and then they'll come and nibble on the vanilla wafers. Alright? These things are delicious, by the way. I like the larger ones. These are very thin. Much thinner than the Nabisco ones, I think it is. But they're very good, very tasty. And now they're gonna go for a swim. You get it made, guys. Look at it. They get free treats all day long, right? People are coming to feed them. And then look at their feet are behind them. Isn't that a riot? And then they're just, look at, that's so cute. What a riot. I never watched them float before. So they have their own pool here. And this one over here, he's just resting. Maybe he doesn't feel so good today. What a riot. See his feet? Behind him there? So cute. And you have some morning glories. Look at that, guys, right there. Some white morning glories. And it looks like they lose a lot of feathers. Look right there. There's a couple there. And then there's a bunch right here. Look at that. So maybe they're shedding a little bit too, you know, because of the warm weather. But look at, they got it made. Made in the shade. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let them just relax and enjoy their time, and I'm sure when they get hungry again they'll come up and they'll nibble on the vanilla wafers. There's a pretty large feather there. And here they come. They're coming back over. So now they're all refreshed, cooled off. Their feathers are damp. And then they'll be able to tolerate the heat, because it's a hot day today, guys. Really hot. I don't know, 80s, 90s, somewhere in there. So funny watching them paddle. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. It's funny how they all kind of stay together in a row, like, you know? Birds of a feather flock together. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys. And believe it or not, once you open these, if you put it just like in a bag like this, it will stay fresh. But if you don't, they will go bad real quick. And you can also use a Ziploc bag, but this keeps them fresh. Okay, it says here, please no bread. We prefer lettuce, peas, and corn. Okay, so I'll have to remember that next time. I'm not sure if they like that. They probably just will eat just about anything. But they're definitely fed, so. Alright guys. That's gonna do it. That other one, he just wouldn't go in. Alright guys, so I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.